Hello, everyone. For those of you who work with jersey designs, or if you own a custom jersey design factory, you surely know what the most time-consuming and tedious task is: individually sizing each jersey, adding names and numbers, and preparing print-ready files. If you have an order for 10 jerseys, that might be manageable, but when you receive orders for 100 or even 200 jerseys, preparing them for print becomes an incredibly time-consuming process. What if this entire process could be automated with just a single click? What if a software could automatically resize each jersey to the correct dimensions, add names and numbers, and prepare the files for print? Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a groundbreaking software that does exactly that: PatternFlow. PatternFlow will resize jerseys to their correct sizes, add names and numbers, and prepare print-ready files in just a few clicks. Hours of work will be reduced to mere minutes, saving you time and boosting your factory's production. You'll also be free from the worry of name and number placement errors. The biggest advantage is that it helps you save fabric, approximately 300 meters for every 1,000 jerseys. Contact us for a free trial of the PatternFlow software. Let's see how to install and use the PatternFlow software after you've acquired it. First, double-click to open PatternFlow. It might take a moment to open. Enter your username and WhatsApp number. Providing your email is optional. Then, click the Installation button. Once the installation is successful, you'll find two files in the same folder location: Pattern and Datasheet. Now, let's open Adobe Illustrator. To use this software, you'll need Illustrator version 2017 to 2022. I'll open Illustrator 2020. Once Illustrator is open, go to Window, Extensions. Here you'll find two plugins: File Processing and PatternFlow. Now let's see how to use these tools. We can directly enter our jersey data here, but I won't enter data directly. Instead, I'll create a data file using the datasheet because it offers many advanced features. You received a datasheet file during installation. I'm opening that file now. In the name and number columns, I'll input some demo names and numbers. I'm copying some names and numbers from Notepad and pasting them into the columns. When copying and pasting, make sure to use lowercase c and v for the shortcuts. In the size column, we need to enter 10 L sizes. Instead of typing L into each row individually, we'll fill 10 rows with L in one click. To do this, first enter the number of rows you want to fill, then an asterisk followed by the size. Since we want L, I'll type 10L and then press Enter. Now for the sleeve column. Since the first 10 jerseys will have half sleeves, I'll select 10 cells in the column and press Enter twice. If a jersey doesn't require a name or number, leave that respective row blank. For instance, this jersey won't have a number, so I'm leaving the number row empty. Next is the comment column. What's the purpose of the comment column? It allows the user to edit the file manually before saving. Let's try using a few comments. Here, I'll put no logo, and here, blue color, because we want this jersey to be blue. So I'm writing blue in the comment. Now let's save the datasheet. Now let's see how to prepare the design. To prepare your design, you must use our provided patterns. If you wish to use your own patterns, you'll need to get them verified by our administration. Only with admin permission can you use your custom patterns. You received our pattern file during installation. I'm opening that pattern file and completing the design now. The design is complete. Now, here's a crucial point. You must bring our pattern shape to the front of all your design elements and then apply a clipping mask. Otherwise, you won't get the correct sizing. So, I'm bringing the pattern shapes to the front of all design elements and applying the clipping mask.
Now we'll process this design file using the File Processing extension. Go to Window, Extensions, and open File Processing. Select the jersey front part and click the Front button. Select the jersey back part and click the Back button. Select the jersey short sleeve and click the Short Sleeve button. Process all items in your design in this manner. If your short or long sleeves are without a cuff, hem, or rib, then click the Without Ribs Sleeve button and confirm. After processing the design, you must save the design file.
Now for our final step, open PatternFlow. We'll input our prepared data here and select an output folder. Clicking the Settings gear will show you a list of all sizes. These are all in inches, and you can customize these sizes to your preference. Under TIFF export options, if you require TIFF files, you can configure the settings according to your specific needs. Now let's click the Start button. Remember we had a no logo comment in our datasheet? The software has paused before saving the jersey. We'll now manually remove the logo. We also had a blue color comment in the datasheet. Now we're changing this to blue. Now let's check the output location. In the output location, you'll find 3 folders: Unique Size folder, containing all unique sizes, TIFF Files folder, where you'll find your TIFF files, and TIFF EPS folder, which saves the EPS file of the TIFF before the TIFF file is saved. Let's open one of the files and take a look.